9:30 a.m. Friday, October 1, 2021. Part 2 on our heat pump, air conditioner, and heat unit system. Because my camera, for some reason, goofed on me. So this is the... I'm just going to make a quicker video on part 2, so it won't be as long. So this is the living room air conditioner and heat unit for the living room. And here's the satellite dish. Bow satellite TV. So this is the living room air conditioner, 12,000 BTU, heating and air condition. The lowest setting it can go down to is 16 Celsius. The highest setting it can go up to is 30 degrees Celsius. Actually in Fahrenheit, it's 61 Fahrenheit, and the highest setting is 86 Fahrenheit. But you shouldn't need it any warmer than 73 Fahrenheit or 23 degrees Celsius. Back of it. And the controls. Condenser. This condenser unit is for the kitchen. Air conditioner and heat units for the kitchen here. This one is 9,000 BTU. Sides of it, back of it, and it's not running, it remains off. Everything's all properly wired up, and that's it. That's the kitchen one, and the view of the backyard here. There's backyard, clothesline, everything. And the backyard trees are there. And the main street, Sherbet Lake. And the air conditioner technician had told me yesterday a good place to have a barbecue here on the back deck would be right over here. That's where you want to put the barbecue, right there. But we don't want to. You don't want to put the barbecue over here because it'd be obstructing the air conditioner. So it has to be over here. So, which will be fine. So no worries on that. As long as the landlord's okay with it, we're okay with it. I gotta hook up the satellite back up there. We had everything disconnected because the air conditioner guy was here installing the air conditioners and heat pump system. And classroom door lock. It's unlocked for the moment. So that we have classroom door locks here, which is very fancy. So be careful you don't lock yourself out. I usually just use the deadbolt half the time. And there's the one on the inside here. So that's the 9,000 BTU kitchen air conditioner and heat unit. And there's my existing brand new LG 12,000 BTU air conditioner units, which these cool up to 550 square feet. And I'm going to show you my portable air conditioner. Here's my portable air conditioner I got. And you know what? I don't mind the hose with it. And this is very nice because it's portable, so I can take this hose out in like 1 second. So it's good. So this is the LG 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner unit, which downgrades me to an actual 10,000 BTU window air conditioner unit. So, I mean, the room I have is probably like 75 square feet. Like, it's not very big. And yeah, I'll cool the room down, no problem. I probably don't even need it. And I have an actual real thermostat for it too. It has your heat and cool switch on the back of it. So let's turn her on and test it out, see how it works. Oh, it's kicking on. And it's on low. I want this on air condition. 24. $30. Why did it skip? It didn't. It just 20. So what I do is I put this on the coldest setting, 16 Celsius. I just use this thermostat here to turn it on and off for me. Okay, it's on high. The compressor just kicked on. Oh, it's really cold here. Holy smokes, it's keeping me nice and cool. And I wish I had a plug over here, so maybe that's something that we can look into someday. I can have an electrician come in and install me a plug here. So I can plug my air conditioner in here, so I don't have to use an air conditioner free with extension cords. So those extension cords are hazards. They can be hazards. So what I normally do is I unplug the extension cord when I'm not using the air conditioner. Anyhow, the air conditioner's on, it's working good. That's cold. Holds for it. Goes out the window. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It reminds me of a wood stove. Like, it kind of looks like a wood stove a little bit, you know? So people look at portable air conditioners, they think they're ugly because of pipe sticking out of it, the hose, but just look at it as a wood stove and then you won't feel so bad. Oh yeah, this is a lot more better for me. So I'm just going from window air conditioner units to portable air conditioning units as well. I just got like central air installed in my house here in the portable classroom, so even better. I'm really happy, and I don't even think I need this, but this just comes in handy. I don't need one the portable air conditioner if I'm in the room, but hopefully in the future we can install a plug here, because that's very important. I shouldn't be using an extension cord. That's just me using an extension cord is just temporary for now until I can get a plug installed in here. So yeah, it's working good. It's cold. Hear the compressor running? Hear it? Yeah, it's on. So there's your you can't see, but you have a evaporator. So in the back of the air conditioner, your evaporator coil is down here, and then up here is your condenser coil, your condenser unit. So there's 19 in here now is what it says. It's a thermostat for it. So let's go outside. Yeah, this is the better idea to go, you know. And there's my new LG 12,000 BTU air conditioner unit. And it's portable too. Yeah, it's hot. It's blowing hot air outside here. It's hot. It's blowing hot air. Oh yeah, this is the better way for me to go, you know. I don't have time installing window air conditioners anymore. They're too a pain and everything. So this way here, I can take the hose out of the window in like in a second. It's not mounted or bolted down or anything. So if I ever had an actual fire, I'll be able to get out of the window for safety reasons. So that's a good thing. And I'll be able to close the window in a second. There's the side of the house. And that's about it. Alright, so it's time to turn down the air conditioner. I'm going to put down fan mode here. There we go. The fan just went from high speed to low speed. And here's the thermostat for it. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's the thermostat right there. It turns the air conditioner on and off. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty cool, but so it turns off at 22 Celsius. And then it turns back on at 21 Celsius. Yeah. Fires up no problem. So it works. Air conditioner remains off. What's next to do now is hook up the satellite. I gotta do that next. I gotta put the TV back in the bedroom and get that hooked back up. And you see, it's easy installation. All I gotta do is just take that out, that down there, and close up the window. Ta-da! Now the air conditioner's out of the window. It's out. All I gotta do now is close it up. Come on. And the window's closed. It is closed. You'll love it here. Once you get here, buddy, you're gonna love Charlotte Lake. Trust me. Oh, so you're gonna love Charlotte Lake. It's a nice little town. I like it here too. Air conditioner's out of the window. It's out. Okay, it's time to put the TV back in here now. I'm gonna hook up the satellite dish. Air conditioner's off. Everything's all disconnected here. This is like approved air conditioner extension cord. But I don't like using extension cord, so I want a plug installed here someday. Alrighty. I'm going to move the satellite receiver back into my bedroom. Nice flooring. Okay, so going in my bedroom, I got the TV hooked up. I got satellite working. A clean bed. Nice clean bed. And air conditioner unit. Everything's all hooked up. Bow satellite TV. And as you can see, we're on the guide channel. We're on the log channel. Log channel. And 3 bow receivers in the house. So there's 2 receivers, and there's 1 receiver in each room, and 1 receiver in the living room. I have myself the brand new portable air conditioner unit. It works very good, as I just showed you a second ago. And the hose for it that looks just like a wood stove, and it's out of the window. But say tomorrow, if it turned very hot and I need some air conditioning, I can put the air conditioner in the window for 1 day and take it out. So no worries on it. And a nice view of my backyard. If you want to be my girlfriend, you can. Maybe there's just somebody. Never mind. So there's my bed. It's all nicely made. Thermometer. Oh. satellite. Yeah, that's all it is. I got it made here. I love it here. Nice place. And I have a 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner unit. I have a 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner unit. It cools up to 450 square feet. And my brand new 12,000 BTU window air conditioner units cool up to 550 square feet, which I no longer need my air conditioner, so I'm selling these. So if you know me, whatever, you need an air conditioner, give me a call. I'll give you a good deal on it. But thanks for watching my air conditioner video, and go brave, take care, and what's next to do is move the table over. So that's it. I'll see you later. And that's the end of the video. Show you around again. This is part 2 on the heat pump air conditioner system. That's the 12,000 BTU heating and air conditioner unit for our living room. And as well, the 9,000 BTU kitchen heating and air conditioning unit, which is controlled by the outdoor condenser unit. This one is for the kitchen. And of course, I have another air conditioner, a portable air conditioner, 12,000 BTU, and it reminds me of a wood stove. So I call it the wood stove. And but I got it all made here. You know, I try to get along with everybody as much as I can, and I'm flexible, and you know, I just keep to myself, mind my own business, and all I gotta do now is close up the shades here. And that's it. It's all closed up. Okay, I haven't paid my rent yet, so I'm going to pay my rent right now. I'm going to pay my rent. And the window is closed. It's all closed up. And turn all these lights off because it's using up a lot of energy. That one off. That one was on. Off. That one's still on. See, I lied to you. I told you I only use one light, and next thing you know, I got like 10 lights on here. Normally I just have one light on. It's just because I was making this YouTube studio video. And the view outside the window here, I don't know if you can see or not, but let me get the idea. And if you notice, they used to have the sign there at the hotel, but they moved it over there. So that's pretty cool.